Hey guys, it's Brent from Adam again. So let's talk divorce. I want to talk today about something that's been coming up here on and off with clients and with people that call in looking for advice. So there's some things on the internet about paying for forms to do it yourself, to file your own divorce, pay $300 and get these forms, the $299 divorce, this kind of stuff. And this is a horrible idea. It's a total scam, in my opinion. The forms that you're buying online, you can get for free. So give us a call if you got questions about that part. We can walk you through it. We don't recommend doing it yourself. You know, there's a phrase that says, don't do yourself in by doing it yourself. But at least start by getting advice from a divorce attorney. As a starting point, I hate to see people getting scammed. I don't like the idea of that they're paying for these forms, a complaint for divorce. If there's kids, there's judgment information form, there's court orders, there's UCSO, there's all these other things, basically forms. They're available online for free. So it's not something that you should be paying for. And the other confusion that's coming up with all this is then people think that they're filing for divorce, or they're saying, well, let's file for divorce online. Okay, at least as of this point, you know, this video is March of 2020. As of March 2020, there's no filing for divorce online, not in Michigan. You can file for other types of lawsuits online. It's still not catching on as much as you might think it would have, but there's some situations, bankruptcy, for example, you can file online. But at this point, there's no filing a divorce case online. So you can get the forms online, you fill out the forms, get the paperwork all set. We don't use forms, we create our own documents. We use some of the forms. But you use these documents, then someone takes the paper to the courthouse and files it. So that's the only way to start a divorce. People telling you different are wrong or trying to mislead you. So this idea, I'm gonna file online, I've talked about that in other videos. There's no filing for divorce online. And the forms that you can buy online, you can get for free. So there's no point to any of this, and it's just disappointing. By the time people have called us, they've already spent $300 that they could have put towards a divorce case, could have put towards some actual advice from a real divorce attorney, instead of this just total nonsense with paying for forms online. So I thought you should be aware of that. Thanks for listening, and please like and subscribe to the video. And of course, any questions, feel free to contact me. Thanks.